breaking news today as far as Yahoo, Google, and Microsoft announced canonical tags. So tell us about that.
Absolutely. So I went and hunted down a 1999 paper that said anywhere from 10% of web hosts to 28 or even 36% of hosts might be duplicated content. And everybody is familiar with duplicate content. You know, oh, I've got www.example.com and example.com, and they're the same URL, but the search engine treats them like two different URLs. So there's a lot of ways you can resolve duplicate content. You can use 301s. In Google, you can even set your preference for www versus non-www. You know, you can make sure that your content management system only generates the exact right URLs and no other URLs. So there are a lot of ways you can help with duplicate content. And there was even this one tip that not many people know, which is if you submit a sitemap, we'll try to use those URLs in the sitemap to break any ties, so we pick the best URL. So all of that's fantastic. But sometimes you can't create your own 301s, or sometimes you can't control your content management system. You know, WordPress, you can access something p equals 300, post equals 300, or via a nice title. And so wouldn't it be nice if there was an extra way that you could resolve some of that duplicate content worry? Well, there is as of today, and it's supported by Google and Yahoo and Microsoft. They're adding support for it as well. It's very simple. It's a page-level tag, and you edit the head of the HTML document, and you say, okay, here's my URL. Maybe this is an ugly URL. You have and sort by equals descending, sort by equals ascending, session ID equals whatever, tracking code equals whatever, UTM equals, you know, for analytics. There's all these ugly URLs. You can say in the head of that document, the pretty, the preferred, the primary, the canonical version of this URL is over here. And then Google and other search engines, whenever we see this, we will index this URL as the nice URL. And so it's a very simple one-line standard, and then underneath the hood, we treat it much like a permanent 301 redirect. And so think of all the PageRank, all the backlinks, all that sort of stuff just flowing to this nice, pretty URL. And so it's got a lot of potential to clean up a lot of clutter, a lot of junk on the web, so we're very excited about that. One thing that you should know, and you can go read the Google blog post, the Yahoo and Microsoft blog post, there's a lot of details, which you might not want to sit through and watch the video. But one thing you should know is it's only within one site, one domain. So you can do within subdomains, but you can't go from domain A to domain B. So you don't have to worry about 301 hijacks or anybody attacking your site or anything like that. But within your own domain, you can resolve lots of these issues just by using this simple tag.
Very good. Very helpful.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
We're excited about it. Well, and people have asked us for a long time for it, so it's really fantastic that a lot of search engines will support it.